in the heart of Region 4A Calabarzon, a symphony of education and inspiration unfolds. We kindly request our esteemed guest to please stand as her namesake to be recognized. Introducing the Laguna Blaster. First on the list, we have Piñan City. Please welcome Superintendent Manuela Escondido. And YC Assistant Superintendent Edwina Olibranda. With your guiding mantra, one mind, one heart, one direction. Next, let's acknowledge the presence of Calamba City Superintendent Merkel M. Eduardo and OIC Assistant Superintendent J.P. Melo. Their mantra echoes, "Una sa lahat, servisyon tapat at karapat-dapat." SDO Calamba City. Now, join us in recognizing the distinguished leaders of Cabuyao City, Superintendent Christopher R. Diaz, and Assistant Superintendent Gregorio A. Cole Jr. Their mantra, "Iisang puso tayo, harap sa batang Cabuyaoenyo." And now, let's extend our warm regards to Laguna Province's Superintendent, Edita M. Atendido, and OIC Assistant Superintendent, Elvira V. Catanay, and Assistant Superintendent, R.D. S. Ricasata. Their trade mantra, "Edukasyong tama, tunay na kalinga, bata ang una sa DepEd Laguna." Our round of applause for the leadership of San Pablo City. Let's recognize OIC Superintendent Gurley M. Ilagan and OIC Assistant Superintendent Bobby Chester Enriquia. Their mantra resonates: "We reach, we serve, we care." Let's welcome San Pedro City's OIC Superintendent Rogelio F. Opulencia and OIC's Assistant Superintendent Ronald V. Rodrigo. Their mantra proudly declares, "Sa SDO San Pedro City, edukasyon ang lagi muna." Now let's meet the dedicated leaders of Santa Rosa City, Superintendent Heriberto Jose V. Miranda Jr. and OIC Superintendent Giancarlo A. Caita. Isang bagong mantra, "Kalidad ng edukasyon para sa mga bagong henerasyon, Angat Santa Rosa."